New Orleans around 11:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by these tornadic storms include Lakefront Airport. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 10 in Louisiana between mile markers 234 and 256. Interstate 510 between mile markers 1 and 3. Interstate 610 between mile markers 3 and 4. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Additionally, heavy rainfall may hide this tornado. Do not wait.
From Buffalo, what's up, Sean?